Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The reliable operation of a ship's electrical power plant depends heavily on the health of the alternator excitation system, where brushless exciters and slip rings play a fundamental role in maintaining voltage stability. In a brushless excitation system, the need for physical contact is eliminated by using a small alternating current generator mounted on the same shaft as the main rotor. The maintenance of this system begins with a thorough inspection of the permanent magnet generator and the exciter armature, looking for signs of insulation degradation or physical damage to the windings. A critical component in the brushless setup is the rotating rectifier bridge, which consists of a series of diodes that convert the exciter's alternating current into the direct current required by the main field windings. You must regularly test these diodes for forward and reverse bias using a multimeter to ensure that none have failed in an open or shorted condition, as a single faulty diode can lead to excitation instability or a total loss of voltage. Cleaning is a vital part of the routine because the accumulation of carbon dust or oily residues can create conductive paths, leading to earth faults or short circuits within the rotating assembly. For older vessels or specialized machinery that still utilize electrical slip rings, the maintenance focus shifts to the physical interface between the stationary brushes and the rotating rings. The slip rings must be inspected for signs of uneven wear, pitting, or grooving, which can cause brush sparking and electrical noise. If the ring surface is irregular, it may require resurfacing using a commutator stone or a specialized grinding tool while the shaft is turning at low speed. The carbon brushes themselves must be checked for their remaining length and replaced according to the manufacturer's wear limits, ensuring that the new brushes are properly seated to match the curvature of the ring. Brush tension is equally important, as excessive pressure leads to rapid wear and heating, while insufficient pressure causes arcing and erratic electrical contact. You should use a spring scale to verify that the brush holders are applying a uniform force across the entire set. In both brushless and slip ring systems, checking the insulation resistance using a magometer is a mandatory safety task to ensure that the windings are not absorbing moisture or contaminated by salt air. The cooling passages and ventilation fans must also be kept clear of obstructions to prevent localized hotspots that can melt insulation over time. By maintaining a strict schedule of cleaning, testing, and physical adjustment, marine engineers can prevent catastrophic alternator failures and ensure a continuous supply of power for the ship's propulsion and life support systems. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.